This one is the Harmon Kardon 3490 receiver. Got in for power supply upgrades. Replaced the bridge rectifier, the 8 amps to a 35 amp bridge, adding 40,000 microfarads to it. And the outside, the owners want me to do some me things to it. And since there's a light, big bright light right there, so I add some color silicone to make it more colorful, and also put some silicone on here to make the knob a little bit more ergonomic, because you see how shallow it is. And it can turn the things, but you know they use remote control this day. And also this thing comes with this really so-called stylish but really fragile plastic feet. 3 of them already broken off. So I add some colorful silicone feet into that things. And now it's have vibration control and it's colorful.